again. This is Yenny and Little Zed. She like to lick my blanket all the time. Baby, 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 baby. Baby, look at her body. She is on my tummy. The baby is on my tummy. Kita naik. Dirty. Okay. Those all. You can continue it if you like. Miss Little Zed, why you so cute? Miss Little Zed, I want a dog. No, I want a cat. A cat is enough. A cat is enough. Baby, open your eyes. Hey. Dirty little cat. Ah, so cute. It's so warm. Okay. No, you're not dirty. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Of course. Who's your mommy? Who's your mommy? Of course, I am Yenny-chan. Cute baby. Everybody love you. You should go out and you meet new people so you're not afraid. Baby, I love you so much. I love you.